In this video, I am going to share 3 DIY face packs that will help you get a smooth, clear and glowing skin. Don't forget to do a patch test before applying it on your face. Apply them 2 to 3 times a week for best results. So let's get started. This pack is very beneficial for the people who have oily skin. You can avoid the lemon if you have a sensitive skin. If you guys like my video, do show some love and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to tap the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. Thanks for watching.